Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'll show you how to register your account on Signal Private Messenger. So let's get you signed up in just a few steps. Now you need to simply open your Signal Private Messenger app. If you have already downloaded it, this is the type of logo you want to look for, or your icon should be like this. After opening your Signal app on your phone, enter your phone number and tap next. After that you will receive a verification code on your SMS right here, and you have to enter that 6-digit verification code in the Signal Private Messenger app. Type that code into Signal to confirm and to verify yourself. Now set up your profile, add your name, and if you want, add a profile picture as well. Signal will then ask you to create a PIN. This is an important task for protecting your account and restoring your data later. Once that's done, you are officially registered and ready to start messaging your friends, your family, and your loved ones. And that's how you can register on Signal Private Messenger app through your own phone, either that is iOS or Android. It doesn't really matter. It is same for both of the devices, so it is quick, simple, and secure. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.